Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study electrical and electronics engineering using an easy method. Begin by mastering the fundamental principles, such as Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's laws, as these are the building blocks. Dedicate time to consistent problem solving. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding of theoretical concepts. Leverage the many excellent online resources and circuit simulation tools available to visualize complex ideas and see them in action. Once you have the basics down, move on to core circuit analysis techniques. Learn nodal and mesh analysis thoroughly, as they are crucial for solving more complex circuits. Actively work through a variety of example problems from your textbooks and reputable online platforms. Don't just read, actively engage. Consider building simple circuits with components like resistors and LEDs to see the theory come alive in a practical setting. As your confidence grows, explore more advanced topics like digital electronics, microcontrollers, and signal processing. These areas open up exciting possibilities in modern engineering. Consider joining a study group. Discussing challenging concepts with peers can provide new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Also, make an effort to attend workshops and webinars to stay informed about the latest technologies and industry advancements. Finally, continuous learning is key in electrical and electronics engineering. Regularly review previously learned material to ensure your foundational knowledge remains strong. Always strive to stay updated with the latest industry trends and emerging technologies. This field evolves rapidly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed. Keep exploring, keep learning, and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.